Persistent cough and chest congestion can make every breath a struggle, but your recovery starts with the right choice. I trust Rexpox Syrup for its powerful triple-action formula. It doesn't just mask the symptoms, it targets the root cause. Rexpox Syrup effectively clears stubborn mucus, soothes your irritated throat, and opens up your airways, all while using natural ingredients. Don't let a cough slow you down. Trust natural, trust Rexpox. Breathe easy, naturally. To purchase, visit your nearest pharmacy today or contact WhatsApp 0333 846 6196.